Hi guys, welcome to Wajeeha Creative Corner. In this video you will learn a trending glass morphism effect. So let's get started. First we will upload our background image here and adjust it to our canvas. Now we will duplicate this image. Like this, and now go to file and select addings, and now go to add guides, and we will choose the custom option, and in the custom option we will select the margin 200 pixel and 120 and click on add guides. So here are the guides, as you can see the blue lines, and now we will decrease the size of our second image as our guides. Now we will go to edit image, and we will select the blur option, and we will choose whole image and increase the intensity into 60 or 65. Now go back. Now we will increase the border. Now we will increase the border weight, and we will round the corner of this. Change the color into white. Now we will make a copy of it and just remove the background of this image. Now we will download this as a PNG, as a transparent background, and bring our image into uploads. We will delete this and bring it here and adjust it to our guides. Now we will go to edit image, and we will go to shadows, drop shadow, so here are the final results, as you can see. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.